Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. This is your girl Tonetta, your baker from Cookies and Ish. I want to welcome y'all to this video. This is the first video that I'm doing with the new business name. I guess I put it that way as well, and in a new location too. I want to make sure that I gave y'all an update of what's going on with the business, what's happening, why you haven't seen a lot of things on the page in about a month or so, that kind of thing. So let me tell y'all what's going on. My little kitty cat sitting right here, Sylvia. She wants to be a part of this too. But in the last, we actually relocated. For the last month or so, we have been working hard to get our stuff packed up and that kind of thing to leave the St. Louis area and to move to Tucson, Arizona. So that's where I am right now. I guess I put it that way. As you can see all the sunlight in the background too. But like I said, I'm in Tucson, Arizona now. And this is where I'm starting back up the business. I guess I put it that way as well. Of course, it's called Cookies and Ish. The cookies, of course, the big giant cookies I was making back in St. Louis and that kind of thing. I did have to stop, of course. Like I said, we had to start getting packed up and getting moved. So I didn't want to keep continuing on to try to get business there. But I need to get things started up here in Tucson since we'll be staying here for I don't know how many years to come now. So like I said, it's only been 2 weeks now. But like I said, I'm definitely greatly excited to go ahead and get things going. So I did order some things already. And I want to show y'all what I ordered actually. So I've already actually opened the boxes, so I can't say it's an unboxing, it's an unordering. I guess I put it that way. But like I said, I'm definitely excited to be here in the Tucson area. I don't know anybody here. I think I met two people, two ladies online in like the last 3, 4 weeks, a month, I'd say. Met them online, but I have not met them in person yet, that kind of thing. So like I said, once we get everything unpacked and settled and I can start getting out, meeting more people, that kind of thing as well. Getting to know folks here. We're going to be going to church this Sunday. So that, of course, will give us some more people to meet and more ways to mingle and that kind of thing, too, to get used to the town here. And like I said, to, of course, learn our way around and to, of course, create some friendships and those kind of things, friendships and stuff like that here, too. So that should be awesome. So like I said, I did take it upon myself to order some oriental trade. This is who I usually go through when I order stuff like some of the packaging stuff and like the cookie packaging or the cupcake packaging. I've ordered some of those from there from Oriental Trade in the past and other companies too. But this is who I ordered from today actually. Well, I guess it came today rather. So like I said, I did have to order because I had to order some stickers for my cookies and Ish so that I can put some stuff on the packaging so I can know who's what company represents, the phone number, my name, that kind of thing. And that's what that's what I made through Oriental Trade. And this was the cheapest that I can find. I guess I put it that way. I wasn't trying to go as cheap as I could, but like I said, Oriental Trade, definitely, I've ordered these in the past for my other business as well, my baking business. And they've always come through. They've always had great stickers and stuff like that I can use for a very, very good price. I know I've looked at other companies and they're probably like double, triple the prices I would have paid for this. I think it's 100 of them on here. I think it's 100 of them on here, y'all. I can't remember. But I want to say it's 100 of them on here. Or if not, it's 50. One of the two. But like I said, definitely it's the stickers that I got, like I said, for the business. And it's just going to be like the stickers that's on top, just saying, like I said, who I am, what the business name, Cookies and Ish by Tony, and then the phone number, of course, here to get ordered and that kind of thing. So put your orders in and that kind of thing. And I haven't even baked anything yet here in Tucson yet, y'all. I'll be baking something, probably starting to bake something tomorrow, actually. And just to let you all know the Ish part of the Cookies and Ish, y'all know I've already, because some of y'all on here watching from St. Louis as well, but I've done cupcakes, I've done pound cakes, I've done butt cakes, I've done decorated cakes, I've done decorated cupcakes. I've done all types of things. But I'm trying to make sure that I'm creating some things here and starting over with the new business here, making some things that I don't see a lot of folks making, I guess I put it that way. Yes, I can make the cupcakes. I love making those and that kind of thing. But like I said, I definitely want to kind of start with something that I didn't think a lot of people here were making yet. I guess I'd say that. That's why it's called the Cookies and Ish. Yes, the big cookies, the big stuffed cookies, those cookies are like 2 palm sizes actually. The ones I was making, they're back in St. Louis, they're like 2 palm sizes. And if you scroll down on some of the feed here, you will definitely see some of those, I guess I put it that way, and some videos, me busting them open and that kind of thing. So, like I said, definitely check it out. But like I said, we're no longer in St. Louis. We're in Tucson, Arizona. I can ship all across the state of Arizona. And I can also sell across the state of Arizona. I guess I put it that way as well. I cannot ship to other states because I'm a home baker, a cottage food business. I guess I put it that way. So I got my certificate, and I'll tell y'all about that in another video. I'll actually, because I have to go print off my my city ordinance thing to be a baker here in this, I guess, in Tucson. So once I print that out, I already got the other license, but once I print that out, I will do a video for y'all, just kind of going over like a little bit of the process about what it took to actually get a license to become a baker here in Tucson, which wasn't hard at all, especially baking at home, because of course, we know a lot of companies start off at home. There's no company that I don't know of that actually starts anywhere else but at home, whether it's a computer company or a food business, bakery business, coaching business, every business that I can think of started in the house. I guess I put it that way. That's where we all start. And like I said, that's where I'm getting my start here in Tucson as well. So like I said, I'm greatly, greatly excited. And these are actually, since I already unboxed them, like I said, these are unorderings. But like I said, I've already actually cut this one open because I was actually about to look at it. And I'm like, let me do a video with this. But these are actually my cookie bags. These are 5x5 cookie bags. I'm going to be putting the cookies in. And I'm hoping my cookies are going to fit in here. So I'm looking at these. The cookies I have are huge. So I don't even know if they're going to fit inside these bags. But like I said, we're going to see, y'all. Like I said, I'll start baking some cookies tomorrow to make sure they'll fit inside of her. But they're actually 5x5 plastic bags. And they actually have a self-sealing adhesive liner right up here at the top. If y'all can see that, right up here at the top. Pull that strip off and fold down, and the cookie is sealed. So like I said, that's what I'm going to be doing with these. When I ordered, I believe it was, I should have 200 here. 100 in this pack and 100 in the next pack. I believe that's how much I ordered. Let me look at the paper, actually. I'm sorry, it's 144 per bag. Per pack. So all together, I have 288 cookie bags. So that's a hell of a lot of cookies. I'm looking to be going with these cookies, all these cookies baked within the next 2 or 3 months, 3 months at the most. I would say that. So I have to order some more. So like I said, but first I know I do have to, of course, like I said, get known here. No one knows me here as far as baking, or no one knows me here at all, except for the job I'll be starting next week. So like I said, I definitely have to make sure that I'm getting my name out there. And this is the first video of me here in Tucson. I'm in the bedroom, of course, trying to get things going. And like I said, I hope that you all, of course, enjoyed this video. So like I said, definitely be looking out for some more videos, pictures, and things like that of cookies and things I've been making and stuff like that, so you all can know who I am, what I make, what I'm good at, and of course what tastes good. I guess I put it that way too. And of course, I'll be having some events just to let you all know. I will let y'all know more as time goes on, and at least in the next month, I'll be having my first I guess treat giveaway. I guess I can say that. So that's all the information I'll give right now. But like I said, I'll definitely give some more information on when, where, what's going to be going on, all that type of stuff when the time comes. Like I said, but I know it will be in the month of August, at some point in August. I can tell you that. My first date to, of course, to get myself known and to get things going out there and to let people know how my stuff tastes. I know we're here close to the University of Arizona, so I'm looking forward to, of course, trying to connect and finagle my way into there as well. To, of course, start selling to some students and that kind of thing once the semester starts. And that actually starts next month too, in August. So like I said, it's going to be a busy, busy time. I can tell you that, at least for the next 3 months, trying to build up clientele here and trying to get things going. But like I said, I definitely am glad that we're here, so I can restart this and can restart the things that I was doing. Like I said, to create that lovely business life that I've always wanted. I guess I put it that way. Working for myself, doing something that I love, and of course, providing some good products for you all to, of course, taste, to eat, to have it at your events and your parties and things like that as well. So again, I'm Tonetta Clay, your baker from Cookies and Ish, or Tony. I guess either one is fine, Tony or Tonetta. Tony is easier for people, so Tony is fine. Like I said, I definitely want to say thank you all for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next video, probably on tomorrow. So y'all take care, y'all. Like I said, I'm here in Tucson, so look out for me and look out for Cookies and Ish. I put it that way. So take care, y'all. Have a good one.